Welcome to another new short Tuts. In this video, we'll show you how to create columns in Google Docs. First, click on your page. Now go to Format in top menu. Click on it. Go to Column. Go across. Here is option 1, 2, and 3. Choose any one. I'm going for 2. Click on it. Now we need some text. I copied already. So I'm going to paste here. There it is. You see it going out into columns format. If you would like to put a little line to sharpen the edge between the column, you can. So go up to the format back, click on it, to column, more options, click on line between columns, apply. So here it is, the two columns with a nice tidy line between them. If you feel this video is help to you, please subscribe for more videos.